Wow, look at this little treasure. I'm out at Gray's Classic Cars out at Dandenong on this beautiful balmy 6-degree day, and this little Mini Clubman restomod is an absolute ripper of a car. Come and have a look inside it just before we go around the car, and I'll show you some of the goodies it's got. It's got a custom dash, rally style seats, sports steering wheel, beautiful carpet, and all this stuff here is all the wiring so it doesn't go through the door. So for the electric windows and the sound system, and this, you can see the speakers. It's got the world's most impressive stereo system. Now look at this. This is part of the stereo system, which is mega sound. It's a beautifully restored engine bay, little BMC A-series engine with a single SU carby. It's got an alloy radiator. It's, you know, like a new car, but it's a restomod car. This little Mini, restomod Mini, is very impressive. So it'll be on Gray's very shortly, probably next week. So check it out for Gray's Classic Cars and have a real good crack at it.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.